Okay, in this video, I'll be showing you the one other operator that we have in C#. It is called as the mod operator. So this video is going to be a continuation of the arithmetic operations. Let's do a file, new project, a C# console app, C# console app. I'm going to call it week 2 exercise 3. My path is the path where my clone exists, and then say OK. All coding will be done inside the main method between the two curly braces. You'll start with saying console.writeLine week 2 exercise 3 mod operator. Okay, so basic arithmetic operators are plus, minus, multiplication and division. Okay, the fifth operator is mod operator, is very specific to computers. Okay, that is how it looks, a percentage sign. So let me explain what it is. Let us say you divide a number by 2. Okay, a number, let us say the number is 12. So this will give you quotient of 12 by 2 is 6 and remainder is 0. How about this one? Divide a number 13 by 2. Now the quotient is again 6 and remainder is 1. So you get a quotient of 6 and remainder of 1. So as a human being, we can remember reminders and we don't need a separate operator. As long as we divide, we have two outputs. We have a quotient and we have a remainder. But for the computer, when you do the division, when you use this operator, okay, when you use the forward slash operator, it will only give you the quotient. So what about the remainder? How do we get the remainder? That is where the mod operator comes in. So let us see a simple example. Let us declare a variable int int number. So you can assign it a value right here, 13. Int number equal to 13. Declare variable and assign value. So you can do like that, this also in one statement. Okay. Now what do we want to do? We want to create another variable called quotient. Okay. So let us say quotient equal to number divided by 2. Now let us display we want to show what the quotient is. Okay. Then I want to do mod 2. Okay, sorry. Let's create another variable called remainder. There. Okay, so we have a variable to hold the quotient. We have a variable to hold the remainder. We are dividing number by 2, getting the quotient here and the remainder here. So we are just writing that so that we can examine the values. Okay, console.read key. Let's build this program. Run the program. It prints the title for me. The quotient is 6. When I divide 13 by 2, there are 6 2's in 13. And then there is a remainder of 1. So that is how a mod operator is used.